Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Apology in advance if you're not from Scotland or you're from parts of Newton Mearns. I will do my best to curtail the accent as much as possible. Okay, so we're here today at Clydesdale Motors. We've got this absolutely epic 1989 MR2. As you can see, the paint is just a little faded, it's looking a little bit tired. And what we're going to do today is just try and tidy it up a wee bit and get it back to its former glory. Once we're finished with this, it should be going up for sale in the next few days. So what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description to the Clydesdale Motors Facebook page, and you can have a look there. I think there's quite a lot of other classic cars on there as well if you're interested. So let's get started and we'll see how we go. Cheers. This little MR2. I especially love the pop-up headlamps here. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm hoping to bring out some more content throughout 2022, so if you did like this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.